Welcome to this kickstart video for karate. It's going to be a very simple video where you can get from a clean, fresh machine and go all the way to writing your first API test using karate. And the good thing is you don't need to install too many things. We just are going to use Visual Studio Code, which is a great IDE, which is free. We will install the official karate plugin, and after that you will have everything that you need to write and run karate tests. Yeah, you don't need to install Java or any other complicated things. It's pretty simple. It's going to take less than 5 minutes, so let's see how it goes. The first thing I'm going to do is search for VS Code in my browser, and very quickly I'm going to land on a place where I can download VS Code. I am going to choose the Windows option because I am on a fresh Windows machine actually, and there we go. The setup file is being downloaded. I'm opening it and starting the install process. It's going to ask a few questions, the typical stuff. I'm going to accept and click through these dialogues for the install process. Choosing all the defaults, I am going to select the option to create a desktop icon because I find that personally convenient. There we go, starting the install. And a reminder, VS Code is a great IDE. It's free, really powerful, fully capable, and it's a great way for you to actually write and maintain karate tests, of course using the official karate extension for VS Code, which we will install as the next step. So we have just finished installing VS Code, and we are going to launch it as soon as we completed the install process. Here we are, fresh instance of VS Code. I'm going to click now on this icon you see on the left, which says extensions. So I'm going to click that. There are no installed extensions. Of course, you can do a search in the marketplace. I'm going to search for karate, typing it there in the text box, and make sure that you choose the option, the karate plugin with the stick here, which shows it's an official plugin from Karate Labs. You can click install here or here, it's up to you. I'm going to click here. That install process is now downloading a little bit of extra installables, and yeah, that finished pretty quickly. And the next thing you can do is now go to the top, the Explorer view. We haven't opened any project or file yet, so we're going to do that. I click on open folder. I'm going to create a new folder in the documents, call it karate demo. Okay, select that, and we have now opened a new project. Let me get rid of the welcome screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a new file. I'm going to call it http bin.feature. So karate files or karate tests end with .feature. Now we are ready to start typing. I'm going to paste from the clipboard a simple karate test, which is from the documentation. Copied it, and I'm going to run it straight from here. It's so easy to run karate tests. You see that code lens at the top. There we go. The logs are being shown at the bottom, and one of the nice things is at the end of the log you have this option to open the report in the browser. This is what a karate report looks like. It actually shows you the HTTP traffic inline. So there we are. We actually installed Visual Studio Code, wrote just 3 or 4 lines, which is our first API call in karate, ran it by clicking on the run code lens in Visual Studio Code, and you were able to see the HTML report. So that's all it takes, pretty quick. Thank you for watching.